So our new design center has all sorts of new tools. The table saw and the chop saw are really handy for helping students get straight lines and things. This is so much more than just product design. There's tons of skills that we learn during doing product design. We learn about problem solving and how things fit together in our world and spatial relations. And all of it is really helpful for not only design class, but for going on to other careers in the future.
So I'm making a phone stand for my mom. I have used a bunch of machines so far, including the sander and the bandsaw. It's been a difficult process and I'm almost done.
I'm working on a boat. I'm making the boat out of wood, and it's going to be a real life-size boat, which I'm going to help to solve others' problems.
I'm going to be making a dish rack for my customer. So what I had to do first was talk to my customer about what she would like and what are the problems she's facing. So she told me that the dish rack that she currently has isn't killing all the bacteria, and then I found out that there could be waterborne diseases from the water that's being stacked up in the dishes.